How to build a playhouse for toddlers. A playhouse can often be a fun and exciting place in which your toddlers can play, especially when they are imaginative and like to play pretend. Toddlers can spend time in a playhouse keeping busy with their own independent tasks, or they can spend time playing games with other children in the playhouse. Playhouses can come in many different shapes, sizes, and forms, depending on your own preferences and those of your toddler. You can either assemble a playhouse using instructions provided by the manufacturer, or use the basic guidelines in this article to create and build your own playhouse for toddlers. Design a playhouse. Determine whether you want a stationary or collapsible playhouse. The manner in which you build a playhouse and choose your materials will depend on the style of playhouse. For example, if your family plans on moving to a new home soon, buy a playhouse kit that allows you to assemble and disassemble the playhouse using little or no tools. Verify that your home has room for a playhouse. Although you can choose to build a playhouse of any size, you must verify that a playhouse will fit comfortably in your toddler's room, or outside in your yard. Use a measuring tape to help you with determining whether a playhouse will fit comfortably in an area inside or outside of your home. Determine the cost for building a playhouse. The costs of playhouse kits made by manufacturers will differ significantly from one another. However, the supplies needed for building your own playhouse will usually cost between $450 and $500, €344 and €382. Gather the materials needed to build the playhouse. The materials you need will depend on the style of playhouse you want to build. For example, if you are building a stationary playhouse in your yard, you will need to buy lumber, plywood, nails, screws, truss brackets, and more. Read the instructional manual for your playhouse if you purchased a kit to determine if any extra supplies are needed. For example, you may be required to buy paint for the exterior of the playhouse if none was provided. Verify that you have the proper tools to build the playhouse. Common tools you may need are a hammer, screwdriver, saw, sawhorses, measuring tape, a pencil, or a level.